That's what we're going for with the soft landing. If I cut a big tree now and it falls on this, it's going to rip it loose. So I want all the big trees to go down first. Then we're going to start taking a big tree as a base, and we're going to land these trees on top of them, and that's going to help them to have a soft landing. So always be thinking about a soft landing. Ironwoods are named ironwoods for a darn good reason. I'm going to cut this a little lower to block sight lines across there because it's going to land upwards like this. And vines and stuff will grow up on it. And this is our bedding area right up here. Right across there, Jake. Now I'm going to cut this one lower because I'm coming into an open area and the deer don't want to have to see too far. They would like to be closed in. So almost every one of these trees is probably going to survive. We now have overhead cover. We're creating a gray zone out to the edge. Deer are absolutely going to love this.